Welcome to the channel. This is Israel Life and this is Real Life. And today we will be crocheting a flower choker. Here are the materials I will be using today, consisting of a 5mm hook, some yarn and scissors. This is a tutorial that I'm following from a channel called VivCrochets. I'll have her link in the description. If you want to follow along, go get your materials and let's get started. This is a very easy tutorial. You don't need to be very good at crocheting to do this. It's fairly simple. And so, we're going to start off by making a slip knot. And then, chain the circumference of your neck. So basically, just keep chaining until you can wrap the chains around your neck comfortably, with just a little bit of space. And by then, you should be able to move on. Once you've gotten the circumference of your neck chained, you will chain 3 more. So now you're going to slip stitch into the very 4th stitch of the row. Then you're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into that very same stitch you were just crocheting into. And once you've completed that process, you will do that one more time to complete half of the flower. After that, you will slip stitch into the next 4 stitches. Then you will chain 3 and slip stitch into that 1 stitch, just like we did for the first one. And like in Viv's video, you're only going to make 2 petals for this flower. And you will keep alternating this pattern throughout the choker. Then you will once again slip stitch into 4 stitches and restart the process till you get to the end. If you don't crochet, I totally recommend it. It's really fun, and it's a great pastime. You can sometimes even get addicted to doing it. There's an endless amount of things that you can crochet. Once you get to the end of the row, make sure that your very last chain is a flower. And if you have a couple of extra chains, you can just untie them until you have your desired amount. Your last flower should also have 5 petals. Then all you have to do is work on the other side of the choker and continue to crochet petals all the way around. So repeat the process and slip stitch 3 or 4 into each stitch of your petal on the bottom. And just keep alternating. If the flower on the bottom has 3 petals, then the one you do on the top should have 2 petals, with a total of 5 petals each for all the flowers. So as you can see here, I made it to the end of the row and crocheted my flower with 5 petals. And now I will continue to crochet in the alternating pattern till I get all the way back around. Now you can really see it starting to come together now that I'm on my last couple of petals. Sorry about the camera keep going in and out of focus. There was a setting that we had on it that we didn't know about that kept making that happen. But it won't be like that in future videos. Make sure you leave enough space before you cut your yarn for either a clasp or just some yarn that you want to tie around your neck. The choice is yours. Make sure you pull both ends tight, and just like that, we are done. Ta-da! Isn't it pretty? I just love it. Not only is it cute, but it also keeps my neck a little warm. So, as you can see, I just went with tying it together. I didn't want to use clasp. But this is how you would tie it around your neck.
unequal.
Well, thank you for watching the video. I will see you guys next time.